All right, you seen that title in the thumbnail, and you can't go wrong with sausage and rice. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this honey garlic sausage and rice skillet. Y'all ready? And yeah, I said sausage. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's go over our ingredients real quick. Back here we have our andouille sausage right here. If you wanna use smoked sausage, you can, or any type of sausage that you prefer. I find andouille works well, and also smoked sausage. We have our rice here, I've already rinsed it, chopped onions, chicken broth, Dijon mustard, Cajun seasoning, soy sauce, olive oil, smoked paprika, seasoned salt, chopped red bell pepper, chopped green bell pepper, chopped garlic, honey, black pepper, and some cayenne pepper. That's all you need. Let's get to it. So we're gonna get started by making our honey sauce first. We're gonna take an empty dish and add our Dijon mustard, our soy sauce, and our honey. And we're just gonna get at a quick mix, get it whisked together. All right, once you get most of that Dijon mustard dissolved in there, you're good. This is what we have. All right, we're gonna move this aside and head over to our stove. So to get started, we're gonna heat up some olive oil over medium heat, bring that up to temperature. Once that comes up to temperature, we're gonna add our sausage. And we're just gonna cook these babies until they're brown, searing them. Don't skip this step, it adds a lot of flavor. All right, so once you brown those sausage, we're gonna get these babies removed. We're gonna add them to a bowl and set them aside. In the same pan, we're gonna go in with our onions. And we're gonna cook these about 4 or 5 minutes until they're translucent. All right, after that 4 to 5 minutes, after 4 or 5 minutes, we're gonna go in with our peppers. Here's our green peppers and our red peppers. And we're gonna get these babies mixed in here, and we're gonna cook this for another 4 to 5 minutes. All right, so the last minute, we're gonna add our garlic, and we're gonna get that mixed around in here. After that minute, we're gonna go in with our rice. And we're gonna let this toast for the next couple of minutes. All right, so after you toasted your rice, don't skip this step because it helps boost the flavor. We're gonna go in with our chicken broth. All our spices, like our black pepper, seasoned salt, cayenne pepper, Cajun seasoning, and our smoked paprika. And we're gonna get this mixed in. We're gonna bring this to a slight boil. Once that comes up to a boil, you're gonna reduce your heat. We're gonna cover it up and we're gonna let this simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. You guys have been asking for this for a very long time. And I am so grateful for your support that my highly anticipated cookbook, Still Not a Chef, is available for pre-orders. It's relaxed, it's flavor forward, and it's made for people who just love good food. Pre-orders are open now, link in the description. All right, so after 18 minutes, we're gonna remove our lid. We're gonna return our sausage to the pan. We're gonna get that mixed up. Next, we're gonna go in with our honey garlic sauce. Man, this is powerful. This boosts that flavor profile up, I'm telling you. We're gonna get that mixed in here. We're gonna cover this up. And we're gonna let this cook and simmer for the next 2 to 3 minutes. All right, guys, so we are good. We're gonna turn our heat off. We're gonna remove it from the heat over to our cutting board, and we're gonna let this rest for the next 5 to 7 minutes. Then we're gonna come back. All right, so we've let that baby rest for about 5 to 7 minutes. This is what we have. Looking pretty good to me, guys. We can fluff our rice. All right, we're gonna finish that off with some freshly chopped parsley. You know, some of that green stuff. Guys, there you have it. Honey garlic, sausage, and rice. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Go ahead, drop it down there. Let's get this baby plated up and into quality control. Listen, you know it's quality control, man. Bring that to the front of the congregation. Man, look at that. We're gonna bring that to the front of the congregation, man. Let's go ahead and take a bite of this, baby. Oh, damn. Now I understand. This baby is honey-y, garlicky, and you already know sausagey. Guys, this is different. You definitely need to check it out. So, until then, y'all already know I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.